Creating Wix website for affiliate marketing is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Wix account, and then here you can see that Create New Site button. So just click on this button, and after some time, the new window will open and it will look like this. So here you have to write the website which you want to create. So I write here, affiliate marketing. So you can see that it's here. So then click on Next button. When you click on the Next button, here you have to enter the name of your website. So I write the name of website. After this, what you want to add to your website. You can choose one of them. So I choose blog only. Then click on Next button. You can also go to the dashboard. But here starting setting up your website. Click on Go to Dashboard. And you can see that creating your dashboard. So it takes some time. After this, you have to click here. Then click on Go to My Sites button. When you click on this button here, you can see that this is your website. But this is not published yet. So click on Select Site button. And here you have to select the template which you want to use for your affiliate marketing website. Now click on the template button. And here you can see that there are many templates that you can choose according to yours. So I want to go with this one. Click on Edit button. And here you can see that the new window will open. So this is the layout of your website. And on the left side of the screen, there are many options that you can choose according to yours. Now you can customize your website according to your needs.